Allah chose a nation since the time of Musa alayhi salam. He chose a nation to be the carriers of His word. That was the sons of Israel. He chose them and He gave them His book, At-Tawrat. And they were chosen and given preference over all other nations in the world. This is what the Qur'an itself tells us. Okay? وَفَضَّلْنَاكُمْ عَلَى الْعَالَمِينَ. We gave you preference over all other nations. No other nation had this many prophets. No other nation had this many chances to live by and demonstrate the truth of Allah's book. Over time, not all the Israelites, but a group among them developed a certain kind of superiority complex. Okay? Now this is really important. We hate it when somebody quotes something from the Qur'an and says, all these Muslims, this is what they believe. You see? It says, like some of our, back home, these Muslims, look at what it says in their Qur'an. It says, kill them wherever you find them. This is what they believe. They want to kill you wherever they find you. It says it right here in your book. We hate that because we know you're taking it out of context. You don't know what that means. And you could have just asked one of us, but you would rather quote something out of place, and then we get really offended. We shouldn't do that to their books because we hate it ourselves. We shouldn't take one quote from the Bible here, one quote from the Bible saying, look at what these people believe. Look at what's in their book. Look at no, that's not fair. That's not fair. And when some Muslims do something bad, and they say all Muslims are like this, we hate it. But if some Jews or some Christians do something wrong, and we take the sum and say what? All Christians are like this. We hate it. Is that justice? Is that fair? Is that a double standard? We should be people of justice. The Qur'an is actually extremely just in the way it deals with the Christians and the Jews.